Hey lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, on this day I decided to go and make my hair after so many months of carrying my natural hair. I decided to make my hair using an extension, which is the attachment extension that I would normally use. So first of all, I decided to moisturize my hair. As you can see, I sprinkled lots of water on my hair, used my hand to fluff them out and massage the water in. I'm also using my hands to separate any knots and tangles before I'll go in with my detangling comb. So I start to spray more water. So here I'm about to apply my hair cream, which is what I am doing right now. I apply the hair cream, massage it all over my hair, making sure it gets to all strands of my hair. I usually take time while moisturizing my hair because since I'm doing everything together, like I'm moisturizing my whole hair together without sectioning them, I spend more time so that the cream can get to all strands of my hair. As you can see in this video, I am using my hands to like massage my hair at the same time putting in the moisturizer. So after that, I use my white tooth comb to comb my hair thoroughly. I love using white tooth comb to comb my hair, especially this one in particular, because it doesn't cause a lot of breakage to me, because all comb can give you breakage, but this one gives a very minimal breakage. It doesn't give a lot of breakage, and that is why I love using it. And since I'm combing the whole hair at the same time, this one is a good one to use. If you are the type that don't want to section your hair and comb, you just want to comb everything together, this comb is the best comb to use. So this is the amount of hair that I lost. It is so small. So this is my afro from the rear. This is what my afro looks like. So guys, I tried to use this piece of cloth to tie my hair together to make it look good enough to go out with. As you can see, that's what I'm doing right now. I tied it at the back. As I'm tying it, and I'm adjusting it to the position I want it to be. So that's just it. So this is me applying my lip gloss because my lips tend to dry so fast, so I always apply lip gloss on my lips to avoid them drying up and cracking. So this is me applying a very generous amount on my lips because I am going outside, and outside can be so dry to the lips. I don't know if I'm making sense, but yeah, my lips dry out so fast. That is why I always use my lip gloss. So guys, at this point, I'm already imagining how beautiful I'm going to look in my new hairstyle, not knowing that I'm going to get something else in return, something I didn't bargain for. So this is me in the market and the lady making my hair. At this point, I am not feeling the vibe of this hair, but I know that after making this hair, I'm going to take it down. But I said, let me just have patience and see if there will be any correction, but none. So guys, this is the next day. I came back home. I took down those braids because they are opposite of what I wanted. So I said to go make loose braids with my own natural hair. So I went to my friend's place for her to make this hair for me, and she delivered, guys. She did a good job on my hair. Like the hair was given at the end. These are loose braids, these are not mini twists, but they really look like mini twists. If you are very far, you think it's a mini twist, but when you come closer, you will know that it is mini braids. Even you won't even know that it's mini. You think it's dread, unless I tell you it's mini braids, because they look almost like dreads. So this is a close look of how the loose braids are done. You braid very very loosely, like very 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 loosely, to get that rough dread look. So that is the hair I decided to make at last, and this is it. She's done with the back and the other side of the hair, so she's about to make the weaving, because that side is going to have cornrows. So that's what she's trying to do. She first of all applied lots of water so that she'll be able to cornrow it freely without causing me any breakage. So that is it. That is what she's about to do. And don't forget to subscribe and turn your post notification bell. So guys, this is the finished look of this hair, and I'm so loving it. This is actually good. Like, it made me happy after being so sad yesterday and losing so much money. This hairstyle made me happy because she gave me what I wanted after a bad hair day. So guys, this one is made. This is actually the hair I wanted to make with that attachment, with that extension, but the braids weren't looking neat. Some are large, some are small, some are longer than the other. That was what pissed me off, and I decided to lose them. But this one is okay. It is made with my natural hair. It is bouncy, it is juicy. I love it so much. So this is her trying to make my baby hairs. She actually made them look so beautiful. So this is it, finally done with the baby hairs, and this is the final look of this hair. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know your experience of what you wanted versus what you got in the comment section. So guys, finally I am happy because this hair is giving. Though I lost so much money yesterday, but today I am happy. I am fine. I love to take care of my hair, and this sister of mine delivered. I'm so happy with the work she did with my hair. Thanks so much guys for watching. Please consider subscribing. Bye.